Alright, so we're gonna do fidget trading. She has her squishies. I have my squishies. I have so many more Neatos and squishies. I have no idea where they are. It's so annoying. I'll start. I want to do this. I'm gonna go big. This Neatos or orange or whatever you want to call it. Of course, I need you to add.
I'm gonna do this really good meat squishy.
I like that, but I need you to add. This is Anita. Alright, what do you want to add?
I'll add this other bead for squishy, but I'll add another thing.
Another bead squishy. Add, of course.
Okay, so I'm gonna do this tab of squishy.
Tab of squishy, little. I hate tab of squishies, but I need you to add still.
Okay. I'm gonna go big. I'm gonna add the cheese, but I need you to add.
Alright. The big chunk of cheese. Okay. I'll add my carrot, but this one's so slow rising. Like, it's like so good. So I just need you to add like the tiniest thing. And again, I do have Anita.
I'm gonna add my butter, but I'm gonna need you to add now.
Oh my god! Okay, let's see. I have this heart Neato. It's rare, but it's rare. And this mochi. I think I'll accept.
I think I need you to add.
No, I really need you to add.
Okay. I'm gonna do. Let's see.
I'll give you something.
I'll do this bead one.
Another.
I'll give you this really good slow rise squishy.
Alright, I'll give you this homemade squishy. It's actually very, very good. Like, very. And then on this one's so good. So I want to add you like a tiny thing. This one's so good. Like, it's sticky and so good. So add one more thing. Okay, add again. Add!
Okay, I'm gonna do this color changing ball. But can you add your slime for me?
Okay, this one's so big, so I need you to add a little, one thing, and then we accept. And I have way more stuff than you, so.
Okay. So, I will add this, but it's not only squishy, it has slime that you can use. I think I can accept.
I think I can accept.
Yay! I got cheese!
This is everything I got from real life fidget trading.
And this is everything that I got from
Yeah!